Dear students, I'm back with the new tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you HR tag. So what is the HR tag? HR tag is used as a separator between blocks of text. Simply in simple terms, I could tell you it is just like a horizontal line. Just to save the time, I've already typed some commands here. So this you are already knowing how to use HTML and all. I think you are in the practice of using this. So just for saving time, I have already typed this just to make my video short. So first of all, starting the program about HR. Firstly, you do the practical, then I'll also explain how to use this. So BG color, you're already familiar. So I'm taking black. Inverted commas, earlier also I've told you that you have to use with the help of shift key, then colon, so double colon will come. I'm using the black color. Then, okay, text I don't need. Then simply now HR tag. HR tag is a empty tag. It's not a container tag. Earlier also I have taught you that empty tag there is no need to close. Only in container tag we have to open it also and close it also. For example, HTML is a container tag. Body is a container tag. So HR what presently I'll be using, this is a empty tag. So I'll use HR. Okay, I've used as a title using HR tag. I'll save it. You all know how to save it. I've already saved this. So I'll click on save. But in your case, you will click on save as, and then you will give this name. You can give any name, hrtag.html, and then click on save. So I've already saved. So I'll not do any changes. I'll just click on save. Okay. Then I'll run this program. Let's see. So this is my HR tag program. I'll click this. You could see this line. So this is coming due to the use of the command HR. You could see here using HR tag. This is the title. I have already given the title. If you will check the program here, see using HR tag, it is coming on the top, and by simple giving HR, a simple line is coming. Now I'll continue with the attributes of HR. What are the other attributes of HR? One can be the size. Size is an attribute and it should come under the angle brackets. Suppose I have given size is equal to 10. Now just check the difference. This is always the better method to run the program. Just do one command, click on file, save, minimize it. I have already opened the program here. Then F5, function key, F5. Could you see the difference? Because I have given size is equal to 10. Let's increase this. I'll make it to 30. I'll click on file and save, and then I'll go here. I'll press function key F5. Could you see the difference? So this is all happening due to the use of HR attribute size. Whenever we are giving numerical figure, no need to put inverted commas here. Only whenever we are giving text value, then we have to put inverted commas. Okay? Then other attribute is no shade. For that, I'll be making some new line. Again, I'm using HR. HR Size again I'm using same, okay, 30, but I'm using no shade. Now I have used attribute no shade. Size I have used same as I have used earlier in the command, but presently I am using no shade. Now what the no shade is doing, I'll minimize it. I am here. Just check. Could you see the difference? What the no shade is given? So presently what no shade attribute we are using, it removes the shading effect. As it is having the shading effect, this one, it removes the shading effect and simply the gray line is coming. So I hope it is clear to you. So one more will be using HR size. Okay, size I can use, let it be 20. And now I'll be using width attribute. So with width attribute, suppose I want to give 50% of the line, 50%. HR size is equal to 20. Now, as I've told you that if you are giving numerical figures, then numeric, no need to put inverted commas, but here, because percentage sign is there, then we have to give inverted commas, double colon. Okay. So we'll run the program. Let's check. So I have to press F5 key here. So see the result. As I've done here, HR size equal to 20, width is equal to 50%. So as a result, you will see this horizontal line is taking only 50% of the overall area, and by default the alignment is in center. So I hope it is clear to you. Now I'll continue with the same command with same HR. We can use as many attributes with same HR. Only for explaining purpose I have used HR 3 times. Suppose I want to align it, so I can use the align attribute also here. With HR I can use align. Align is equal to left. Okay, so align is equal to left. Click on save. F5. Can you see the difference? It's aligned towards the left. You could see here. The same way I can use right also. By default center it is already present. So by default alignment is center. I can use right also. Click on file, save. Always don't forget that you have to use F5 key. So see, it's aligned towards the right side. So now you are familiar with the size attribute, no shade attribute, width attribute. I hope you are clear with the width attribute, align attribute. You can have all three kind of alignments, left, right, and by default it is always center. Then you can have the colorful horizontal line also. If I'm using HR, size is equal to 40, color is equal to red, and then I can also give width is equal to 30. I can give it in pixels also. In earlier classes, I have explained you what are pixels. The pixels are the small dots on the screen, which allows you to see any image or video which is running on your monitor. So either I can use in percentage or either I can use in pixels. Suppose I have given pixels. Pixels are very small. So when you're giving in numeric figure, no need to give inverted commas. So if I'm running this program, I click on file, save, I'll press F5. You could see the difference. All are horizontal lines, and I hope the coding is also clear to you. BG color, it is very important. Sometimes students are giving the space like this. You have not to give the space. Then size attribute, I hope it is clear to you what the size is doing. The height of the line, actually it controls. So here I've given 30, then no shade is been introduced to you. And by clicking on no shade, it makes your line gray color. Then HR size 20, okay, width is been told to you that how much the width of the line is. Alignment is been told to you. Then 40, size 40, color, you can give any color also. Then width, either you can give in percentage or either you can give on pixel numbers, 400, 500. So I hope this tag has been clear to you how to use HR tag. So I'll save it. And finally, I think you have seen the result. Just try this at your home, either on your mobile or either on your PCs or laptop. So I'll close my tutorial here only.